through this weekend. It is going to turn milder for all of us, but turning more unsettled at the same time. And the first signs of that already coming in across Northern Ireland, Scotland, into Northern England too. One or two heavier bursts of rain pushing in through the afternoon and extending into North Wales and through the North Midlands. But further south, well, we've only just cleared the fog from Salisbury Plain, and I think that could well come back in again fairly quickly this evening. It's really anywhere from the Midlands, southwards and eastwards. Watch out for that fog if you're heading out on the roads through this evening and overnight. We'll also get some frost returning just for a while across these southeastern areas, shrinking away towards that southeast corner as the night goes on, as the winds pick up, and as that milder weather just begins to nudge in from the west. In fact, many of these western areas seeing temperatures at levelling off or even rising as the night goes on. Now here's where the mild weather's coming from, all the way out of the Atlantic, pushing up on fairly strong winds from the south or southwest, so getting milder all the while as we go through the weekend. Coming in ahead of this weather system, this particular one, this first one, will bring some rain into western areas later tomorrow, but then more systems queuing up in the Atlantic. They'll all be coming our way through the coming weeks. So really quite a changeable look to the weather, I think, from Monday onwards. On to Saturday, though, and a bit of a grey start to the day, quite a misty start too across southern parts of England, the Midlands. It should clear up, though, through the afternoon as the wind starts to pick up and it blows all the fog away. But those temperatures still struggling a little bit over these eastern parts, 7 or 8 degrees, milder further west, but eventually we'll find that cloud and rain pushing into Northern Ireland and western Scotland, but probably not until after dark. So fairly mild through Saturday for western parts. Similar temperatures at the moment if you're heading further afield in Athens, and the weather's certainly quieter here than it has been, but for some pleasant sunshine, well, Nice or Barcelona looking a pretty good bet through this weekend. Coming back nearer to home, not as cold as it has been through Central and Eastern Europe, but much milder weather at the moment pushing in through Scandinavia, Oslo there, as temperatures on the rise. So sharing in our change to milder conditions, but as I say, a bit more unsettled, so bands of cloud and rain coming through during Saturday night and into Sunday. So most of us will see the rain, I think, through the second half of the weekend, but it's not going to be all wet. There'll be some brighter spells coming in and some particularly brighter weather coming in through Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland as we go through Sunday. Will be quite windy, though, and windier still for the early part of next week as this area of low pressure just tracks across towards the north. Could well see gales sweeping in across northern parts of Scotland and a band of cloud and fairly heavy rain working its way southwards across England and Wales, getting stuck for a while, but you'll notice everywhere still quite mild, temperatures between 9 and 11 degrees. By Tuesday, well, that brighter weather spreading to all parts, but those showers by then just turning a little bit wintry in the north.